Hello guys, Lee here. Lee the Spray from Cariad. Now while Lee the Drum has been messing about with his different musical ventures, and Lee the Shop has been showing you some demonstrations of product, I have been stuck in here with my daughter, working like a dog, trying to get things right that fry your brain, namely black. Black, you see, when you spray black, and these are George Way drums made in Vancouver in Canada, came to us in white, and then we spray the gold and the black and then polish back. So as you can see, I'll show you another one. Look, it is smooth. There's no, if you look at the lines of the light, you'll notice the lines are accurate. So there's no what we call orange peel on there, which is like a little freckle or lines from the lacquering. We cut our lacquers back and polish, and it is probably one of the most difficult things to do, is to do that in black. It drives you absolutely mad. So I wanted to show you that because a couple of videos back, guys, I showed you where I would mark it out, put the lines through to show you what the paint is, then we spray, then we do the black and so on, and they've come up pretty good, I think. They're very, very beautiful drums, really nicely made. There's another one there, so it's 3-piece. So this is going back over to the customer tomorrow, and there they are. But it genuinely drives you insane because it's just a flake of dust. It's on black, static, everything, and it's just just clings to it. So I wanted to show you, if you like these are the Deco, I think they believe that's what they call it anyway, Deco color, shows the gold and the black bands. So if you like this particular color and you're watching this video, let us know, and we can price you on your drums in a similar color. The black is a little bit more than standard flakes, etc., purely because of the reflection and how much there is in work to get it as good as possible. All right, guys, so take care. One Deco George Way drum shell pack on its way to the customer. All right, over and out. Bye. I work the hardest out of the three.